Hello everyone! Today we're going to decorate cookies with fondant. We'll be using marshmallow fondant and a little bit of cornstarch or confectioner's sugar. The first thing we're going to do is to color our fondant. To do that, we're going to drop a little bit of the color on the fondant and then knead it until incorporated. Repeat this step with the rest of the colors. For a more blend effect, mix a little bit of the pink and yellow fondant with white fondant. Then, with the same cutter you cut the cookie, cut the fondant. We'll paste it by brushing a little bit of water on the back and sticking it to the cookie. The cornstarch or confectioner's sugar help us prevent the fondant to stick into the surface of the table. I cut little pips using a mini cutter and glue them with water. Then, with an edible marker, I drew their faces. I repeated this step with the next cookie, this time with chickpeas. For the next cookie, I made minuscule balls of fondant and rolled them over the white fondant for a polka dot effect. Then I cut small eggs and placed them on top of the cookie. To make a three-dimensional decoration for the cookies, I took a couple of pieces of fondant and with the help of a fondant tool, shaped them into leaves to be added to the cookies. Let them dry for a couple of minutes and that's it. You get gorgeous fondant decorated cookies. Happy decorating!